Now then, TikTok. I've been out and I bought this big slab of brisket. I'm going to stick it in my new Ninja smoker, and we'll see what happens with it. First thing I'm going to do though, got some meat rub. I'm going to get that all in there. Get it all slapped in there. Loads of it. I've put a salt. It's like a salt and pepper, and I've mixed it with a barbecue. So we'll get that covered. Get it all covered in that. Then we'll get in its smoker. Right, that's the brisket nearly prepped. Put a bit more rub on, rub out rest of it rub in, and we're good to go. 6.5 hours in the old Ninja smoker. Brisket, baby. Right, I think we're cooking, so that's gone in now for 5 hours. I've put it in for. We'll see how it comes out there. Now then, people, I've just come home to check the brisket. Should be ready now, but I've been down at cricket club, and it's the back playing the joker, haven't we? 13.5 grand. So I'm going to check on this brisket. Let's see how it's doing. Right, so I'm fuming. I think they've sent me one with a dodgy plug on. So it seems to have turned itself off, but I've stuck it back on now. We'll give it another couple of hours. We'll go back down to cricket club, and hopefully we'll win this 13.5 grand not joker, and we'll not give a shite about the old brisket, but it's looking good anyway. I'll give it that. Wait till you see what I'm going to do with it on the ciabatta. I've got a ciabatta with coleslaw, pickled pink onions, better lettuce. Be amazing. But yeah, I've turned it back on. I put it back on. I put some more smoke pellets in. We'll smoke it a little bit more, and we'll come back in a couple of hours and see how we get on. Hopefully we'll be eating tea at about fucking midnight. Have a good one. Right, so after the machine turned itself off, I went back to the cricket club and had a few more scoops. Banged it on for another 2 hours, and I can smell it as soon as I walked in my house. I can smell it. Let's have a look how we're looking now. Fucking done, man. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Brisket burnt ends. Oh, I'm absolutely buzzing with this. It might look burnt, but it's not. That's how it looks. I don't have to keep hold of it. Oh, oh yes. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to be honest. It's slightly drier than I wanted it to be, but the taste is unreal. But for the first attempt on the old brisket, I'm very impressed. Look at that. It is juicy. It is moist. We all like moist, but probably a little too dry. Maybe it needed a bit longer. I don't know. It's been in about 20 hours, so we'll see. Let's see what I do with it now. So we got baked cheese and garlic ciabatta going in there now. Right, so garlic ciabattas are done. We're going to build the sandwich now. Little bit of lettuce. Oh, then we got the meat. Then we go straight on with pickled pink onions. Look at them. Straight on there. Topped with a bit of coleslaw. And here we have it. Smoked brisket with pickled pink onions, lettuce, coleslaw on a garlic and cheese toasted ciabatta. Check this. What? You can eat it in a minute. Now, let's see what it's all about. Look at that. Whoa. Fuck. It's good.